The sixth item on the scorecard is media centricity. What did the media, international media, have to say about the 2006 World Cup finals?
Well, interestingly, when they reported about Germany after the World Cup, they didn't use words like effective and efficient. They used words like party, proud, friendly, positive, and successful.
Wow. So they're very powerful in the process of persuading perception in the international community. So, that being the case, how can South Africa, for example, engage with the international media to change them from being brand agnostics to brand advocates?
Well, very simply by refocusing our attention away from the villains of society, from the crime, from all the bad stuff, to the heroes, to the champions, and really relaying those stories of South African and African heroes to the international community.
So again, to try and create some warm, fuzzy feelings around personalities.
Well, I would say to relay not just the good stories, but the real stories. The people that make 2010 work, and the people that make the country work.